In today's video, I will teach you how to view and change the file size in Lightroom. Let's get started. Lightroom doesn't show file size directly in the Develop module, but you can check and control them in the Library module and Export settings. And here's how to view, adjust, and reduce file size in Lightroom. You can check the file size in the Library module. So go to the Library module and select an image and press I to toggle the info overlay. If the file size isn't displayed, you can simply go to View, View Options, and enable metadata info. Alternatively, you can go to the metadata panel, which is located at the right sidebar, and check under the EXIF or metadata. But take note that Lightroom doesn't show file size for edited RAW files until they're exported. And here's how you can change the file size in Lightroom. When exporting images, you can control the file size using different settings. The first one is resizing in Export panel. To do this, go to File, then Export, or simply press Ctrl-Shift-E or Command-Shift-E. And under the file settings, you can adjust the format by using JPEG for smaller files and TAFF or PSD for high quality. And for quality, you can reduce the quality slider to around 80% as a good balance. And under the image sizing, you can check the resize to fit and set specific dimensions. Then lower the resolution, for example 150 ppi instead of 300 ppi for smaller file sizes. Then click Export and check the file size in your saved location. So for exporting, simply use JPEG instead of TAFF or PSD. Then lower the quality to 80%, which still looks great while reducing size. And you can also resize dimensions, for example 2000 pixels wide instead of full resolution, and reduce PPI to 150 for web use. By following these steps, you can view, control, and reduce file size in Lightroom for better storage and faster sharing. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.